Welcome friends to this video. In video number 1394 of Excel Magic Trick, Mike has created this summary table using Excel formulas. This summary table is based on this raw data over here. He has created a summary for total revenue for each manufacturer and product, then percent of column total, percent of parent total, and percent of parent total row over here. He has used various complex formulas like using if and then sum ifs within if, index and match formulas as well to create this kind of a summary table. In this video, I will be showing you a little alternative and easy approach using the Excel inbuilt functions over here. So for that purpose, let us first copy this data to another sheet. Control C, go to another sheet and paste it over here. The first subtotal which Mike has created is based on manufacturer and then on the product. So for that purpose, I will be shifting this column before product column. So select that column, press Ctrl X, right click product column and click insert cut cell. You can see this column is been shifted. Now we will sort this entire data set first on manufacturer and then on the product. So let us go to data, click sort. So first level will be manufacturer and second level will be product. Both of them will be in ascending order. Click OK and this has been sorted. This is one of the critical steps before you perform any of the further step. So you should get the data sorted in this proper order itself. Now let us go to data and click subtotal over here. Now for the first option, you can select manufacturer at each change in, use function sum and add subtotal to revenue. Uncheck this replace current subtotal and click OK. So now you can see the subtotal will have been inserted automatically by Excel. You can click this second icon over here and you will see this subtotal being entered automatically by Excel for us. You don't have to enter any of the sum if formulas to get this subtotal. So let us expand this by clicking 3 and go back one more time to subtotal. Now this time we will be selecting product. Rest of things will be as it is, and the main thing you need to ensure that your replace current total is unchecked. If it is checked, it will remove the previous subtotal which we have inserted. So keep it unchecked and click OK. Now this time you can see there is one more subtotal being inserted by Excel for us based on the product. So if you click on 3 button over here, you can see the product subtotal are also being inserted over here by Excel for us. Now subsequent columns which Mike has created using other formulas will be using some inbuilt functionality. So let us copy the headings of this column to our data. Ctrl V, adjust the width of the column. Okay. Now the first step, he has created percent of column total which is divided by individual product sales to the total sales revenue. So we will go and select this entire all the cells and press Alt semicolon so that it will select only the visible rows over here. With left arrow key, select this particular cell and divide by and go to your total cell, press F4 so that that cell is been locked over here and press Ctrl Enter. Immediately you can see this percentage has been inserted by Excel for us. Again, we have not used any of the complex formulas over here and this total has been inserted for us. Now the second column which he has created is based on the percent parent total. Over here he is checking the individual product sales to subtotal for that particular manufacturer over here. So 48% is of this 47,000. So if we have to insert that over here, we will have to use sum if function. So let us first expand this entire data set and look at our data. Over here you can see there is a blank row over here, and if I go a little further down, you can see there is a kangaroo subtotal over here and it is just above this subtotal for the manufacturer. So we'll be inserting a sum if function over here. So let us go back. Now let us select this particular revenue and then divide by sum if function. Now we'll be selecting the range of manufacturer. So with the help of Ctrl N and arrow keys, you can select this entire data set, press F4, comma, and with the help of arrow keys, select a cell just 2 rows above this product subtotal. So I have selected that and now the sum range will be revenue. Press F4, bracket closed, enter, and convert this into a percentage format. You can see this has been created. Now click on 3 so that only the visible rows are being selected. Now press Ctrl C, select all these cells and press Alt semicolon so that only visible cells are selected, and press Ctrl V so that the details will get populated automatically over here. Let us delete this, and now we'll be removing this error alert, ignore error. We have this total being created. Now for the last function, if you see, he has selected the individual column total and then this total over here. That is pretty easy. So let us go back to our sheet 3, press 2. Now this time select this cells and press Alt semicolon so that visible cells are selected. With the left arrow key, select this cell and press Ctrl Enter. You can see the required cell have been populated over here. Now press 3, other subtotals will get selected. Now select all the cells, press Alt semicolon so that only visible cells are being selected, and now Ctrl G, Alt special, select blanks so that it will select only the blank cells again within the visible cells over here. So let us select this. With the left arrow key, select this particular cell and press Ctrl Enter. Now you can see this is also being created in a percentage format. Increase the decimal places as you like it. You can change this. That's it. You can say that we have created this entire summary total with the help of simple Excel inbuilt functionalities of subtotal. What we have used, subtotal functionality and visible cells selection, and then lastly blank cells and simple formulas we have created. So with that, you can see that instead of using complex formulas, you can also get created this entire subtotal or summary table created within the Excel itself. If you require to copy this entire thing, select this, again press Alt semicolon, Ctrl C, paste it somewhere else. You can see only those subtotal are being created. You can also link this entire data set if you require. Now go back to this cell, revenue, select this entire, press Alt semicolon, Ctrl C, and over here you can go select Alt ES, paste link, so that whenever this data will be changing, these cells will also get changed. So that's it, like from my side guys. See you in next video.